Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection page. This video is specific for Turbo theme. If you have any other theme, then you should go to shopwebsitecodes.com. There I have already published the codes for different themes. Firstly, you should go to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed Turbo theme. You should click on these three dots, click on duplicate. So later on, if you want, you can roll it back its original version. And then after, you should click on edit code. Here we have some folders and files. So you should follow the documentation. I have already given the link below in the description. You should download the code. Once you are downloading it, here we have certain files which you will be having. So open document.txt. Inside of it, you have the first step, which is create new snippet. Name of that snippet is color-variant. So copy this name from here, and then after you should click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, paste the name here, and then you should paste the attached code, which is this one. Copy this complete code and paste it inside of this empty file. Save the changes and close the file. Again, go back to the documentation. We have another step, which is create new snippet. Name of that snippet is color-product-thumbnail. So you should copy the name from here, and then after again click on add a new snippet, paste the name here, click on done, and go back to the folder. You have color-product-thumbnail.liquid. So copy this complete code and paste it inside of this empty file. Again, you should save the changes and then close this file. Go back to the documentation. The third step is create one more new snippet, color-product-info. Copy this, and then you should click on add a new snippet, paste the name here, click on done, and again go back to the folder. So we have color-product-info.txt. Copy this complete code from here, and then you should paste it inside of this empty file, save the changes and close the file. Go back to the documentation again. We have another new file, color-product-details. Copy the name from here, click on add a new snippet, paste the name here, click on done, and you should open color-product-details.txt. Copy code from here and then paste it inside of this empty file. Click on save and close the file. Go back again. We have to go to the snippets, open product-loop.liquid. So we have to search here product-loop. So we have product-loop.liquid here. So you should search inside of it product-thumbnail. Copy the name from here using Control F or maybe Command F. It will be highlighted here. You can see you should replace this with color-variant. So copy color-variant and replace this name from here with color-variant and click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can actually go back to the collection page and you should refresh this page again. Now here we go. Now you can see that we have all the color variants displaying here with different prices, different titles, and you can also see the color name is also displaying. So if you are clicking on any of the product, then automatically this is previewing the same color. So that's how you can actually display the color variants as a separate products on your collection page. So if you are facing any problem or you have something different to create, so I will help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, you can subscribe this channel. Also like this video. If you have any new feature to develop, so you can directly contact me. I have already added the contact details below in the description. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.